Bigfoot Tools Pea Shooter. The Bigfoot Pea Shooter is a must for any woodworker doing pickup work on any frame job, whether custom or production. The Bigfoot Pea Shooter is capable of accessing difficult, narrow, and tight spaces that are either unreachable by a hammer or too high to reach normally from the ground without a ladder. So the Bigfoot Pea Shooter eliminates the need to drag a ladder around the job site to tackle protruding nail heads. We all know that non-flush nail heads with framing will leave bumps on your sheetrock, a bad reflection on your work. Rockler drill press table and fence. Bring stability and precise repeatability to your drill press with our table and fence combo. With its large table, you'll enjoy excellent support, and thanks to the dual T-tracks, it accepts a variety of optional accessories, including our hold-down clamps. Add to that a full-featured fence with a unique low-profile dust port, adjustable faces, and a flip-down stop for repeatable accuracy, and you'll have a drill press that outperforms any other. The Trend CraftPro Router Table. The CraftPro Router Table will suit any craftsman or woodworking enthusiast. Packed with the necessary features to maximize the versatility of the portable design, this router table will be an essential addition to any workshop or worksite. The high-utility router features a large laminated MDF table, a quick-release aluminum extrusion back fence with sliding MDF cheeks, and a removable 6.35 mm thick aluminum insert plate with a 98 mm diameter aperture that is pre-drilled for Trend TBC routers and T11 routers. This handy power tool will make any job quicker and easier. It includes a D11 router quick razor and quick release facility, a high back fence with a fully adjustable guard assembly, fully adjustable side finger pressure, and a full perimeter ledge stand with adjustable feet. Hinge stand kit for painting and spraying doors. The hinge bracket uses your door's existing hinges and pins to lock them together in an upright, rigid position. Keeping the hinges attached to the doors ensures that the door fits like it did when it was hung. Increase productivity by eliminating time spent moving, turning, or turning wet doors. Simply set up your doors and have all sides sprayed at once. One person and a quick setup. These floor spacers protect the bottom edge of doors by creating a gap between the floor and the door, preventing dry fall-off, paint dust, or dirt from sticking to the surface of doors, giving you a smoother, more qualified finish. CYCLOPS Pocket Cast Level. This compact cast level with our patented plumb sight vial accomplishes what a standard 2-vial torpedo level does on both planes. You need to make sure your perpendicular pipes are square. The 2 V-groove reading surfaces on this tool allow the tool to sit securely on many round surfaces and give you a free hand to adjust pipes. Metal tubes, don't worry. The powerful rare earth magnet inside each V-groove will create a secure hold that will likely have both hands free. The solid cast body will give you a durable tool. Milescraft 5340 PlugCutters. The Milescraft plug cutter set includes bits for drilling scrap project material to produce tapered plugs to cover screws or hide blemishes. By using the same species of wood, fasteners virtually disappear, or use a contrasting material to create a unique visual effect. Rockler Router Bit Center Depth Gauge. When setting up your router table or freehand router, there are 2 primary adjustments to make: the fence distance and the bit height. Our depth gauge makes setting both easy and accurate. Just set the hairline indicator for the distance you need from the fence to the center of the bit. Hook it onto the bit shank, and slide the fence over until it touches the gauge. To use it as a height gauge, simply set it at your bit height. Lay the foot flat on the table and raise the bit until it touches the arm. Bosch GHO 6500 Professional Planer is a powerful planer with a max 2.6 mm cutting depth. Clamp bracket system Woodpeckers. Every woodworker has heard the same advice: you can never have too many clamps. But what are you supposed to do with all those clamps once you have them in your shop? You need them accessible, organized, and condensed in as tight a space as possible. Here's just the system you need to accomplish that, regardless of your clamp size, style, or how many you have. Bigfoot Tools 75-degree precision chainsaw attachment. The Bigfoot head cutter really is a multi-purpose tool that can be used for cutting glue lams, Mirco lams, TJIs, landscaping lumber, fence posts, large structural panels, and more. Its unique, patented design allows it to clamp to any chainsaw 14 to 44 bar in seconds to become a giant precision cutting tool. The Bigfoot head cutter is the ultimate tool for log home builders. It makes the difficult cuts easy, and they are done with accuracy and speed. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.